Hi everybody, just a super quick video out there for people who have upgraded, in inverted commas, from Windows 10 to Windows 11. You've probably been forced to recently actually, but you really don't like the taskbar. You don't like the fact that it doesn't always disappear behind applications. It doesn't allow them to go full screen sometimes, and also the fact that all the icons are in the middle. So what you can do is have it like this. So this is my desktop, and if I move my mouse down the bottom, well, hey, the taskbar appears. But look, everything's over on the left hand side where it should be. Yes. Excellent. So how do you do this? Well, it's super easy. So in the taskbar, just right click on your mouse and just go to taskbar settings, and then scroll down to taskbar behaviors. Obviously you can customize other stuff at the top. I'll let you have a look at that. Taskbar behaviors, and we have automatically hide the taskbar, and then you've got taskbar alignment. Why they haven't got left, center and right, I don't know, but they've only got left and center at the moment. But click it on left, and pretty soon you will be feeling at home with all the icons on the left, like they've always been there, haven't they? They've always been on the left. Is it me? Ever since Windows 95, they've been on the left. And also the taskbar will disappear if you like that flavour of things with it disappearing. Okay, so hopefully this has been helpful. If it has been, hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more, although I don't publish many videos on this channel anymore. But thank you everybody for watching the videos, and I'll see you again soon.